Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Buick Envision 2016 to 2020? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2018 Buick Envision organizes and protects fuses and relays for the engine, transmission, and major electrical systems. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents electrical overloads, maintaining reliable vehicle performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2019 and 2020 Buick Envision manages and safeguards fuses and relays for the engine, transmission, and key electrical systems. It provides organized access and protects circuits from overloads, ensuring reliable vehicle operation. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2018 Buick Envision manages and protects fuses for interior systems, including lighting, infotainment, climate control, and power accessories. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2019 and 2020 Buick Envision controls and protects fuses for interior systems such as lighting, infotainment, climate control, and power accessories. It offers organized access for easy maintenance and prevents electrical overloads, ensuring reliable cabin functionality. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2016 to 2018 Buick Envision manages and protects fuses for rear electrical systems, including taillights, rear sensors, and power outlets. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2019 and 2020 Buick Envision manages and protects fuses for rear electrical systems, including taillights, rear sensors, and power outlets. It provides organized access for maintenance and safeguards circuits from overloads, ensuring reliable rear system operation. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.